Pakistan has experienced the wettest April in 2024. Torrential rains in KP affected the wheat crop. Rains caused extensive damage to wheat crops, which was ready for harvest. This has resulted in economic losses for local farmers. In the past, heavy rains during April and May were uncommon, and farmers did not face difficulties in harvesting crops. But now climate change shifted rain patterns. Rainwater accumulated in the fields, causing the chaff and grains to likely get spoiled. Uncertain weather conditions have rendered farmers helpless, and they see rains during the harvest not less than a calamity.